Hold up! What if I told you your house could literally read your mind? Coffee brewing, lights perfect, doors locked, all without moving a muscle. But here's the plot twist. You don't need to be Tony Stark. And you definitely don't need to sell your kidney on Craigslist. Trust me, I checked. Now before you think, bro, is my toaster gonna spy on me? Relax, it's probably just judging your bread choices. I'm Om Vinayak Gupta, your friendly neighborhood tech translator. Today I'm making smart home so simple, even your grandma will be automating her cat's feeding schedule. Picture this, you're cozy in bed, Netflix paused at the good part. When you remember, the kitchen light is still on. Do you, A, get up and stub your toe again, or B, yell, "Hey Alexa, kill the lights," and boom, problem solved like a tech wizard? Let's break down your smart home starter team like choosing your first Pokemon. Number 1, smart speaker, aka the brain. Alexa, Google, or Siri. Pick one and commit, don't make them fight. Smart lighting. Perfect for movie nights or traumatizing your pets with disco mode. Smart plugs. Turn your dumb fan into Einstein. Feels illegal but totally isn't. Smart thermostat. Let it handle the temperature so you don't sweat your electric bill. Smart security, because why not catch package thieves in glorious 4K HD? Ring doorbells, cameras, smart locks. Turn your home into Fort Knox but with better Wi-Fi. Step 1. Pick one platform. Don't be that person with 3 different voice assistants having existential crises. Step 2. Start small. Test the waters before diving into a smart fridge that judges your midnight snack choices. Step 3. Automate everything. Create routines that make you feel like you're living in the future. Pro tip. Use strong passwords. Nobody wants hackers turning their house into a sauna at 3 a.m. Budget hack alert. Get started for under $100. Your wallet will thank you later. Echo Dot, Wise Bulb, TP-Link plug. Boom! You're officially living in 2024. Should you go smart? If you want convenience and energy savings, absolutely. If you still use a flip phone, maybe wait. Which device are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. Smash that like button if you've ever dreamed of living like the Jetsons. Subscribe for more tech that won't judge you. And remember, your toaster is probably not plotting against you. Probably.